Mabuhay! We will present the Eastern Visayas Region 8. Next slide.
Eastern Visayas Region 8 is a region in the central Philippines. It includes Leyte, Samar, and Biliran. It is also known for beautiful beaches, history, and natural attractions. It offers a perfect mix of adventure, culture, and relaxation. Eastern Visayas stand out as a must-visit destination in the country. It is also famous for its local delicacies and handicrafts, which are perfect as souvenirs or pasalubong. These products reflect the traditions and identify of the region. Next slide po. Fun facts about Eastern Visayas, Region 8. Natural attractions, the region boasts stunning sites like the San Juanico Beach, the longest in the Philippines, Kalangaman Islands, iconic white sandbar, Lea Ayala Cave and Dramatic Cave, and waterfalls such as Sohoton Caves and Natural Bridge in Samar. Next slide po. In terms of culture, the region celebrates colorful festivals such as Pintados Kasadayan Festival in Tacloban, which is showcase traditional body painting practices inspired by Asian warrior. Next slide po. Local culture. Waray-waray language shapes daily life with festival like Sangay in Tacloban blending Spanish, Catholic tradition, and Visayan dances. Next slide po.
Eastern Visayas Region 8 is not only known for its history, facts, and famous food. It's also known for its beautiful and most popular attractions and must-visit places like in Leyte. Next slide. We have San Juanico Bridge, the longest bridge in the Philippines. It is connected to Leyte and Samar. MacArthur Landing Memorial Park, a historic site where General Douglas MacArthur returned during World War II. Kalangaman Island, famous for its long, white sandbars and crystal clear waters. Next slide. In southern Leyte, we have Sogod Bay, top spot for diving and whale shark watching. Limawasa Island, known as the site of the first Catholic Mass in the Philippines. Next slide. In Samar, we have beautiful caves. We have Calbiga Cave, one of the largest cave in the Philippines, Sohoton Natural Bridge National Park, Futures Cave, natural bridges, and kayaking adventures. Next slide. In Biliran, we have Tinago Falls, a beautiful waterfall surrounded by lush greenery. And we have Ulan-Ulan Falls, a multi-tiered waterfall that looks like rainfall. Next slide. And lastly, in Eastern Samar, we have Calikoan Island, known for surfing, beaches, and peaceful resorts. In Homonhon Island, the first landing site of Ferdinand Magellan in the Philippines. And lastly, the Guiuan Church, Immaculate Conception Church, a historic church with Spanish-era architecture.
Next is mass byproducts of Eastern Visayas. Ang Eastern Visayas ay hindi lamang kilala sa spot tourist. Kilala din sila dahil sa kanilang pagkain at handicrafts. Next is binagol. Ang binagol ay isang matamis na dessert mula sa Leyte. Ito ay gawa sa niyog na nilalagay sa bao. kaya tinawag siyang unique. Next is moron. Ang moron ay chocolate suman na kilala sa Tacloban. Masarap ito at madaling dalhin. Next is kalamay. Ang kalamay ay malagkit at matamis na delicacy, simple pero paborito ng marami. Next is banig. Ang banig ay hinahabi sa base, samar at kilala sa mga kulay na design.